How to restore a missing clock on iPhone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore the missing clock on your iPhone or fix the clock not showing on the lock screen. If you've noticed that the clock isn't visible when your phone is locked, don't worry, I've got a few simple fixes for you. So let's get started. First, let's make sure your lock screen settings are not causing the issue. Open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and simply tap on display and brightness. Now, here make sure your auto lock is set to a reasonable time. Here, as you can see, auto lock. Now, if your lock screen is set to lock immediately or after just a few seconds, the clock may not have a chance to show up properly. Try increasing the time if it's set too low. Now, let's check your wallpaper settings. Sometimes custom wallpapers can interfere with the visibility of the clock. So go back to settings and simply tap on wallpaper. Try switching to a default and see if the clock appears on the lock screen again. To do that, simply click on add new wallpaper and simply tap on a default, which may be like this. And as you can see at the top, here it is our clock. Now if it's not showing, you can simply tap on it and it may be shown now, and simply click on add to simply add it. Now let's go back if it doesn't work. If the clock is still missing, it might be a software issue. Go back to settings and tap on general, simply tap on software update and check if there's an iOS update available. Sometimes an update can fix bugs related to lock screen elements like the clock. Now, another quick fix is to restart your phone. A simple restart can resolve minor glitches, so press and hold the power button and then swipe to restart your phone. And that's it, you've learned how to restore the missing clock on your iPhone lock screen.